A lot of my followers actually ask me this very interesting question. Give me a 4D number. I'm sorry to say that it will not happen. It's not that I don't want to give you. It's just that even if I give you, whether you will have it, you will get the number, that's another story. Because the thing about this 4D is it's a very random process. Of course, some people may claim that it's a bit calculated process, but eventually it's still a randomness involved. So I will not be giving you any 4D number. I will not be giving you any tips on all these total or whatever things that you are request for. The thing is, it's not going to make your life better. I would like to encourage you to be more hardworking and more smart in terms of doing your own things. That means the work that you do, the job that you do, the business that you do, why don't you put more effort into it? And then focus your time and energy to make yourself even much more valuable. Valuable in terms of every hour you input, you create more value from it, and you'll be able to generate more income in the long run because of that. And don't expect all the 4D, all the total to happen to you. Seriously. The whole thing is just another formula to drain money from individual people. Like a lot of people where they always hope that by putting the $10, $20 or $50 or even $1, they are able to strike rich. Most of the time it will not happen. So the only way I can share with you is this. To make money, to get rich, be specialized in what you're doing, be an expert in what you're doing, and work on it to become better, to become smarter, and then use your intelligence to make money from the whole skill that you have. Okay?